Hello guys, welcome back to the Nook. My name is GraceMary. Here at the Nook, I provide you with actionable tips that you can use in life and business. And today I'm going to show you how to ship items out of Nigeria using one of the most cost-effective solutions. So let's get started. So the website I use to ship my item is called Anchor.Africa. They're affiliated with Africare, which is a marketplace. So basically, before now they used to ship for free, but now you have to pay a subscription to use their platform to ship. So all you need to do is to sign up, and to sign up you need to of course enter your email address. And here you have two formulas. You have the free formula and the classic formula. So typically you can start with the free formula. What happens when you sign up for the free formula is that it allows you to post your product, shop online, and visibility, and all these things listed here for free. But on the other hand, if you need to ship, then you need to select the monthly plan. I already have an account, so I'm not going to go ahead to set them to make payments. So once you select the plan, it gives you the option to pay, and you can input your payment details here and then subscribe. Once you are subscribed, what you will get is access to Anchor on their Africare platform, and basically with this you can ship. So you come here to shipping, and it's quite straightforward. Right now from Nigeria they fulfill using DHL, and let me tell you, before now I had my DHL account which was cheaper than the typical DHL price, right? However, when I discovered Africare, I realized that Africare's price was way cheaper than the one I have on my DHL account, and I felt like, okay, what's the point? I rather use Africare, and then I also get the opportunity to sell my product here as well. So all you need to do to create a new label is to come here, or maybe say you want to find out how much the price to ship to wherever you want to deliver to is. You have on the Anchor platform, you have the pricing shipping calculator. So you can choose your country, ship from, then choose where you want to ship to. So we're shipping to France, we're shipping from Nigeria. And then you can select the weight. Let's say it's 1 kg, and you check how much. You see that the price is actually not as expensive as if you're shipping from your own platform. So even if it's 2 kg, it remains at the same price. I think it's from 2.5. From 2.5 it then goes up. So you can just click here to ship package. So if you actually had an account, and it redirects you to the shipping platform. So you go right here and you create a new label right here. So this is where I want to ship from. It automatically enters my address because I have saved this on their platform, and then here you can enter the address of whomever you're shipping to. So let's call this person John Doe, and then I'll enter John Doe's email address, johndoe@gmail.com, and I'll just go ahead to fill everything up. So the good thing about this platform is that it helps your buyer take care of their custom fees. So they don't have to start figuring out, okay, how do I take care of this custom fees or what? So all you need to do is to actually declare the price of your item. So we would say 40 euros. And then it gives you these three options. I pay the custom fee. So if you want to pay the custom fee on behalf of your buyer, or you let the customer pay upfront, and then this basically helps them save 10 euros, or no custom management, so they'll have to handle it by themselves, and this is more expensive. So typically I would advise that you choose this option. And when you do choose this option, after you've created the shipping label, it sends a notification to the buyer to ask them to pay the custom fee upfront for them to save. Once that is done, you can then select the time you want to pick your item to be picked up and all, the date and the time, and then apply it. And then if your package is a box or a flyer, you have to enter the details here, and then the weight right here, and then also gives you explainer text of what will happen. You have the option to pay from your wallet, pay using your card, or using PayPal. You'll be charged an extra fee for PayPal payments, but here you can go ahead to purchase the label. So I'll purchase the label for you to see, and later I'll just cancel it. Once you're done creating the label, you can track this label or take other actions. To track the label, all you need to do is to click on that. However, for this label, we won't be able to track it yet because the VAT hasn't been paid and it hasn't been shipped out. But here, we can just take a look at the shipping label, and it shows us that the customer hasn't paid their VAT yet. And once they have paid, then it allows us to print the label out. So yeah, that's basically it. It's very straightforward and simple. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. If you'd like me to do any other videos as regards this demo for this platform, please let me know. So until I come to you next time, please stay safe and keep healthy. Bye bye.